In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to sign out or remove the Microsoft account from Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, we just have to wait until everything would be set here before we proceed. So from here, you need to navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the option. Please locate with the option called Accounts. Click on it. So from here, you need to scroll down and proceed to Account Settings. Go with your info. And in that way, you would be able to bring up the information about the Microsoft account. So in order to remove or to sign out your Microsoft account, all you need to do is you need to navigate here at the account settings. You will get an option which says stop signing in to all Microsoft apps automatically. In my case, I have already clicked that one. That's why I have already signed out my Microsoft account. But in your case, if not yet, then click on that option where it says stop signing in to all Microsoft apps automatically. The moment you've clicked on it, wait until it would be done. It will only take a few minutes to do so. And the moment it will mark here, sign in with a Microsoft account or local account instead, that would mean that you have successfully signed out your Microsoft account in Windows 11. Okay, so that's it. Close the window and you're good to go. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.